Yeah, so hi everyone. Sorry for the technical glitch. Yeah, restarting the live, and I think I hope my network and everything is better. Do let me know at any point of time there is any technical issue. So as I was saying, today we have Mr. Devesh Mirchandani. So Devesh Mirchandani sir is a Kathak dancer, a Kathak artist, and not only Kathak, he's a dancer with command over different dance forms and have a versatile and a dynamic style. So so Devesh has like an immense years of experience and credibility in the field. Devesh is a disciple of Pandit Birju Maharaj ji himself, and he has been under his guidance since a long time, learning and also sharing that culture, sharing the form, the art form of India across the country and also worldwide. So so today we'll be having Devesh in a couple of seconds joining me here from Edgenus. So yeah, so we'll just await Devesh's presence, and thanks for your patience. And also there were different questions put around what you want to know from Devesh. So do let me know. Do just you can just write your message in the comment box, and definitely we'll pick the questions from there. So yeah, and I think we are just waiting for Devesh to join. And again, for like I can already see people there who adore his style and his dance form. So if you have any question for Devesh or Edgenus in general, since I believe you guys have been with us, trusting us since a long time, so please do feel free. And I think I can see one request, which is not from Devesh. So yeah, we'll just wait for Devesh's request to come here. Thanks again for your patience. I think Devesh was online with me only before the live, and I think I'm just again waiting for him to join. Maybe yeah, we'll just wait a couple of seconds more. Otherwise, I'll just drop him a message. Also, in the meanwhile, if some of you who are dance enthusiast, Kathak enthusiast, or dance enthusiast in general, please feel free to drop your questions or reach out to us separately, because we are planning some really great modules and things for our community, for people who are passionate about arts and are willing to grow in this in different art forms. So feel free to drop by and send us a hi, tell us your query or anything that you want to share with us. Yeah, maybe I think I can see Twinkle from Edgenus. Twinkle, if you can just message Devesh, maybe to you know maybe if he's not able to see me live, so not sure because he was waiting. Okay. I think I think he yes. Hi Rishi. Yes, we do have a workshop planned with Devesh, and that is something we would definitely share today during our discussion. So let me just do that. Let me just quickly come again and just message Devesh and just come back live. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, Again, guys, sorry for going offline. I have just messaged Devesh, and if he doesn't come by, of course we'll be restarting the live. But yeah, just let me see if he's around. Mm, no. Okay. So let guys, let me just come by and say a hi to Devesh and ask him to come to this live. Yeah. Yeah. Hi Devesh. Now I can. Yes. Hi. So I think many here were awaiting your presence. So yeah. Now I can send you a request. Just allow me a second, guys. I think Devesh is here and he's already waving. Yes, yes, Kanika. So, hi Devesh.
Hi, can you
I,
see me and hear me clearly?
yes, I can see you perfectly and hear you very well. I think so. Yeah, so no worries. I think now we can give it a fresh start, and I think there were some who dropped and now they are rejoining. So we can just start for maybe a few seconds. And I was just letting people know, of course, many already know about you, as we already have mentioned that you are a YouTube sensation, and not just that. It's not just about the fame; it's also about the how you have propagated this art form, not just in India but across worldwide. Uh, I hope I am audible.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Pretty much.
And yeah, and Deveshan, thanks a lot for taking out time during Friday night because and even for the audience who are there who are joining in. So thanks again.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I think maybe we can get started without much ado. Uh, and I think I already have so much to ask, but maybe I can just start by asking a bit about Devesh. Of course, people know that you have been into Kathak and also Bollywood dance forms, and you are a disciple of Maharaji Pandit Jitendra Joshi, and also you have worked with different artists across in Kathak, in Bollywood, and you have basically made your own way through there. And of course, you discuss the challenges you also face. So I think people would like to know how was your initial journey, Devesh, when you started? Because you didn't start from Kathak, that I know, and I think some might know, but not all. So how did you start your dancing journey? If you can just speak a bit about that.
So basically, I started dancing at the age of 4, but my parents they saw, my mother especially, she saw that I have potential, and then she made me join a professional dance class at the age of 16. So at the age of 16, I joined Shamak Towers classes, and then uh, I was, of course, doing very well, and I got selected in some special batch and all of that. Then I
Hmm.
realized that I love teaching dance, and then that's how my journey started. Then I was training with Shamak Dawar's company. I was also teaching. At the age of 16, I was teaching in a very popular gym that time, aerobics, but not officially, of course, because I was under 18. And that's how it started. And I used to go to a lot of people's houses. A lot of elite people used to call me home to, train them and made my contacts. And I was just 16 and making a lot of money, and my parents were very happy. So that's how it started.
So your family was supportive throughout the process, like
Initially, no, because they never thought that dance could be a career. Just they just thought it's my
hmm,
part time, and I'm just trying to make
hmm,
pocket money. But seriously, pursuing dance was something they were not sure of, because that time, first of all, dance was there was no reality show except Boogie Woogie that time much. We didn't
right.
have Dance India Dance and all of that, and there was no career in dancing. And yeah, and also I think dance was not that. It was also looked down upon, especially a male dancer doing jazz or trying to do kathak and all of that. So you were considered as feminine, because if you're not doing hip hop, you're
Hmm,
doing jazz, you're doing all of that. So it was considered a little feminine. And of course, being a Sindhi boy coming from a Sindhi family,
hmm.
they by default think that you should become a businessman or
Okay.
you
Yeah.
should go
Yeah.
abroad.
Of
Yeah.
course. Of course.
So they just thought that I'm doing
Okay.
this for fun. Clear that I want to be a dancer, and the dance is in
Hmm.
me, and I just want to do this. So I kept fighting, and I'm a very rebellious child. I only do what I want to do in life. So they couldn't control me, and here I am, and I think they're very proud of me.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. So that's great, and I think that's your story in short. Of course, and of course, you were mentioning offline also, Devesh, that, and you also just highlighted that. Of course, first, then in like when you were 16, when you were just starting, there were not so many dancing shows or in fact stage showcase opportunities. And also, so
Yeah.
first maybe we can touch upon also that maybe when you started dancing, what were your focus areas like, or maybe who was your initial mentor who basically guided you through the process, and or if they like you there was no mentor, that's also maybe but yeah, if there was someone who guided you, who guided you till you know some point in life.
So basically, I was a very self-motivated person. I am a very self-motivated person. I
Hmm.
don't draw motivation from outside.
Got
So
it.
what happens with me is that if I love dancing, I love music, I also love reading. So I used to just I was very focused that I used to watch Bollywood songs, films, and I used to
Hmm.
be so inspired by all the songs. I should actually copy the steps, and sometimes people used to say you're doing even better than the actor. So that used to be a great motivation because a lot of people used
Hmm.
to appreciate me. I used to go
Hmm.
for dance competitions and win the competition and come and all of that.
Yeah.
So I think that was my motivation. But then, of course, when I joined Shamak, when you join some company, that person becomes your idol. So Shamak became my idol.
Yeah.
Then I joined Terence Lewis's company. So I was,
Yeah.
I used to look up to Terence Lewis that time. And then, of course, when I discovered Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji very late in my life, that's when I realized that I want to be a Kathak dancer. I want to learn
Yeah.
this art form. So
Hmm.
if you see that as a child, I start idolizing any and everybody. But when I was mature enough, when I was 22 years old, Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji has always been my inspiration till date.
That's lovely. And I think he's the inspiration for many. And I think you have been, of course, you have worked with him so closely. So, yeah, that's great to hear. And so, Devesh, also just maybe we are also receiving tons of, I think, I would say messages or
I'm reading
uh,
that.
love from the audience, of course, already.
Yeah.
But I think we can come to that, or maybe if you like to if you like to pick any question, we can. But otherwise, even I have so many questions at the moment. One of which, yeah. So one of which was that Devesh, as a male, dancer in the field of Kathak, because now, of course, and there are many gurus and in this field. But like you did mention, that there were certain societal, of course, challenges, or I would say the perception of the society towards male dancer if they are into classical forms. So how was your uh, how are you phasing out that?
Uh, See, I am a kind of a person. I don't care what people say. Always in my life, I
Hmm.
have never
Hmm.
been bothered. जिसको जो बोलना है बोलते रहो. मुझे क्या करना है? I will still do what I want to do, and I have to. This is my life. I have to decide what I have to do, and I want to do. And nobody's paying my bills, and nobody's actually taking care of me. Nobody gives me work. I have to find my own work. So when I started doing Kathak, of course, a lot of people were making fun, and some of my friends itself, that is such a feminine dance, and are you gay and all of that. So I used to just ignore them, and I was always, I'm kind of a person who's only into his work at home dancing, and that very little time I go out and I socialize. So it really didn't matter. But yes, society, I know that people behind my back used to talk rubbish about me, which is
Hmm.
fine. You can continue to do that. And today, I'm sure those are the people actually following me and sharing my videos and appreciating
Hmm.
me. And when I run into them, they say they're very happy and they say we are so proud of you. They tell people, oh, Devish was my friend and we were together. So I'm like, Acha, now we are together. We were together. But
Hmm.
that time, so how the tables turn, how situations change. So I think in life, you have to decide what you want to do. अगर आपको
Right.
dancer बनना है, you have to be focused and you have to just do that. If you want to become whatever, doctor, singer, writer, you have to be focused and you have to believe in yourself that you can do it. It's then only the universe will also conspire and make sure that you get that. So I always wanted to travel the world. मुझे पूरी दुनिया में जाके डांस सिखाने का था. That I should have students all over the world. I should meet foreigners, and
Right.
I used to always keep thinking about that. When will I go to this country? When will I go to? And how funny! I
Hmm.
actually, from last 5 years, I'm only traveling. Like
Hmm.
literally this last year in January, I was saying I need a break, and again, I don't know why I said that. I got 1 year Corona break, and I can't travel. So I believe in that. आपको जो चाहिए ना आप उसके बारे में सोचते रहो and you keep working towards it.
That's great. And of course, and I think we can, everybody can definitely see your passion. The way, of course, you are generating content also. Like I would say, the videos that you bring, the kind of content, the covers that you bring, those are also mesmerizing, Devesh, and a pleasure to watch always. And I think many people here are also commenting, and I, for myself, like I personally also am a fan of your expressions also beyond dancing, because I think they also play a very crucial part, particularly now, even on social media, because on stage, maybe if the people are like at us from a certain distance with you, then of course maybe these expressions are not captured. But now on in like when you upload your videos on YouTube, people do pay attention to them a lot. So I think they are again amazing, and something again a pleasure to watch by everyone. And we are receiving comments on those lines as well.
Thank you. Somebody saying, if not dance, what else would have pursued? If
Yeah.
not dance, I would have become a writer because I love reading and writing, and I used to work as a journalist also once upon a time. So I would have
Oh,
been a writer, if not a dancer, for sure. I would have
okay.
pursued my English, MA in English literature. I would have done. I would have maybe I would have become an English teacher, or I would have become some journalist or something. Okay, now coming back to your question about the expression, thank you so much. I feel very happy. And even one of my gurus said that after so many years, after so many years of his teaching, he's teaching Kathak from last, I don't know, maybe 50, 60 years. He's saying after so many years, first time he saw a male dancer who can dance also very well, whose we say the body lines, language is also
Hmm.
beautiful, and who can give expressions. And this is what he told me, and I was like, wow. I just think expressions are there always within you. You have
Hmm.
anger, you have jealousy, you have love, you have hatred. All these emotions are there. But to remove it on time while dancing, that is an art that, it has to come naturally from within.
Of
Suddenly if
course.
I'm dancing, if you're feeling shy, तो shy कैसे feel करना है, गुस्सा कैसे बताना है, वो सारी चीजें ना आपको उस वक्त आना चाहिए. And it's an art, and I think it's God gifted. I have not practiced, nobody taught me expressions, so I think it's God gifted.
Wonderful. No, of course, and I think definitely that's why you are a performer, as like a great performer also. So I think Devesh, I'll just quickly come to my next question. That is in regards to Kathak, because even at Edginess we are also delighted to see the response that people have across all the levels. So what is your advice to the beginners in this field who are like planning to, or maybe who have some because even there are my friends, and personally we have connected with a lot of people in the Kathak space so far, I would say in last at least 6 7 months, who are eager to pursue this art form. So what is your I would say message, or because training is one thing you definitely would advocate. So yeah, what are your I would say key messages for those kind of people who are willing to take their journey ahead in Kathak?
If you want to learn
Yeah.
Kathak, first thing is, see, it's a classical dance form, so you need to be very focused. You need to have that discipline. You need to have that dedication. You have to go to the dance class. Initially, it might be boring
Hmm.
because when I started learning Kathak, first 3 months was very boring for me. Same tathai thaitad, athai thaitad, and footwork. And I used to feel, yaar, ye mujhse nahi hoga dance. So I am the
Hmm.
contemporary dancer where I'm doing this tathai thaitad, athai thaitad. I used to think that way. So after 3 months, I gave up Kathak for 1 month. I almost
Okay.
I thought I won't do this. I'll just continue with my thing. But then I don't know what happened to me. This ek batti jalti hai na, कि no, you must not give up. You must go. So now it's been almost 12, 13 years I'm doing Kathak. You have to understand that
Yeah.
this art form is something that it grows with time within you. This is, the movements that you would I was doing when I was in my first year, second year of Kathak class. Same tukda or same tihai when I do now, it looks more mature. So this dance form, it grows on your body. And secondly, it makes you a mature person. It makes you a little spiritual, of course. I was not
Of
that
course.
spiritual, but now I am,
Hmm.
because you keep here listening to Krishna stories and other mythological stories, and then you want to read more about it, know more about it. Then I started going to temples. So that is one thing. So if you want to learn Kathak, you have to practice a lot. Every day you have to do your riyaz. You can't say, okay, today I'm dancing and now 3 days I won't dance and I'm never going to dance. This is not going to happen. This art form needs full dedication, and this is a kind of a dance art form that you have to keep training yourself all your life. You can't say
Hmm.
कि 5 years and 10 years में मेरा हो गया. Now I've done 10 years of Kathak. I am a Kathak dancer. No, even though I've done 13 years, I still don't know anything about Kathak.
I think you are being humble here, but yeah, matlab, that is something. So I was saying that you are being humble there, but of course, because people are really inspired by your dance form. But that is very true, Devesh. We have also seen people with, even focusing on training part a lot. Even you were also mentioning when we connected that how training is how getting yourself acquainted with these subject matter knowledge in Kathak is definitely necessary, and also Riyaz, as you mentioned.
Yeah.
So because also Devesh, I remember there are people, even there are many, there are some who have started coming to us also asking for quick work opportunities, or I would say, showcase of their performances, which is good. Even we would like to share, but I like even we feel that today youth is very much, focused around getting quick success, or I would say getting on to their other, and this also results in people getting, some getting frustrated in the end, that if they are not able to achieve what they or achieve that thing very quickly. But hearing that message from you can be very vital for our audience also. uh, for like, yeah, so if you like to comment something on that.
Yeah, I want to say that, nowadays, see, I'm 34 years old, but when I was in my
Hmm.
early 20s, when I joined a dance company
Hmm.
professionally as a dance member, I was only 19 years old. That time I never thought ki, if I do a show, how much money I'll get, or how much money Terence is going to give me. Now I'm doing a show, or if I do this, what is my benefit? I never thought. All those 3 years with Terence Lewis, I only focused that no, I want to learn. I am not bothered about what money they're giving me or not giving me. I'm not interested. Even after leaving that company, I was
Right.
working so many years. I just worked free. I just used to just go to people and say, "Teach me. I want to learn from you. I want to work with you." Money and also, I don't want to discuss. Now also sometimes, when I meet those people and if they call me for work, I don't discuss money with them because that's not important. I want to learn. I want to see. But problem with this generation is they want quick money and fame.
Hmm.
Now I have learned
Right.
Kathak. Chalo, 1 year Kathak I learned, that's it. Now I will start making my videos. I'll make semi-classical videos. I'll become famous, and they will do all rubbish movements. And this is what happens. A lot of parents come to me and they say कि मेरी बेटी को कितने दिन में डांस सीख जाएगी? She wants to participate in a reality show.
Hmm.
I mean, if the
that is
parents
that is
only,
something I was
if the
going to say now.
parents are only are not going to be matured and sensible about this thing, then how will the child? The parents have see. पहले जमाने में क्या होता था? बच्चों को 7 साल 10 साल तक ट्रेनिंग ही कराते थे from the very young age. 6 साल की लड़की को सीधा कथक क्लास में डाल दिया. She is learning Kathak by the age of 18. She's a professional and she's performing. Then when she's
Hmm.
25, she's become a assistant teacher. Then when she's 35, she's become a main guru. So then, when you just go behind art, the fame and money follows. I never thought that I will get 13 lakh subscribers on YouTube. When I started my YouTube channel, I just started for fun. I had zero subscribers, of course, and I was not even sure if anybody would even want to watch my video. Why would they want to watch my video? I used to think. But who cares? I was just putting today I have 13 lakh subscribers, and I'm like, oh my god. So it follows. You
Yeah.
have to follow your art form.
Yeah.
You have to keep training yourself. You have to become better artist. All of this will follow.
I think, yeah, there is also, I think just just a question that comes to me also, that like I just wanted to also know from you. We also asked a few others also, like, difference between, what do you think in your perception is the difference between a dancer and an artist? Some of which you already mentioned. That Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead, Devesh.
Okay, so dancer, say you are a I am a dancer first.
Hmm.
Artist is different. Artist is how do I use my dance and create things and reach out to people and enhance that dance of mine, that art
Hmm.
of mine. I have to enhance it and I have to come across and I have to package it in a way and put it forward, which is different, which makes me different. There are thousands of Kathak dancers. Now the Kathak is now I think on top. Out of all the 8 classical forms, Kathak is right now here. Then
Hmm.
other forms. So there are so many Kathak dancers. Now how will I be different from them? I of
Hmm.
course always my first love is Bollywood. But how to put semi-classical in how to put classical into Bollywood and bring respect for Bollywood. So that is what I did. I am doing pure Kathak also. I'm still learning Kathak. I am still going and learning different tals and tukras and those tals and other compositions.
Hmm.
But how am I
Right.
using it in my Bollywood? Am I misusing it? Am I doing a cheap song like Balam Pichkari? I mean, it's a beautiful song, but the lyrics are a little cheap for classical. Am I doing that and if I start putting some tukra in between, then I'm misusing my classical. So then you are not an artist who's doing fusion. You're an artist who's doing confusion. So
Yeah.
you are a dancer firstly, and then when you enhance your dance and you come out with something beautiful, at the same time you maintain the boundary, then you're an artist.
Wonderful. And I think very well, and I think very well put. And also, I think that is something which we'll definitely like to share also after this also, so that people know and they have this in their head while they pursue their endeavors. And I think when you said about the kind of songs that you choose for YouTube, so in general, because now you have a decent, I would say, of course, in our perception, a great base over YouTube. So what are your in terms of content? What do you generally try to focus upon? Because even I saw a couple of comments on that line also, that they love this song or that song. So Ghar More Pardesiya was one I saw in the comment section also, and even I pretty much I loved it too. So yeah, what are the key things that you consider while you create your covers on YouTube?
See, first of all, being a boy with a beard, okay, I am not a beautiful girl in my 20s, and
Hmm.
I am not somebody who's dancing on all the popular songs. कोई भी नया गाना आ
Hmm.
गया, आंख मारे वो लड़का आंख मारे आ गया, तो उसमें thousands of people were making covers. So many people messaged me, you also dance on this song, we want to see you, but it's not touching my soul, it's not touching my heart. How can I dance on that song? Just because that song is becoming very popular. See, there are very people very smart who are into this same field. My colleagues, they're very smart. They pick up these popular songs. They do rubbish dance on that, but their video becomes more famous. It's because that song is very famous. You know, you record it in a very smart way. You use gimbal. You wear nice clothes. You go to a nice studio, nice editing. But your content, your dance steps are all rubbish. So I can't do all of that. Now my question is how to pull these people and make them follow me with classical, just being a classical artist, which nowadays people in this generation they find it boring. Oh God, who's going to watch this Kathak or Bharatnatyam? So
Hmm.
how to make it interesting for them? At the same time, do things that makes me happy. Do the kind of songs. Why am I dancing on Thunga Thungam Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji ka song? Or why am I picking a very unusual song like which is not very popular? Let's say, yeah, I picked up Tal Se Tal Mila. I had not seen any Tal Se Tal Mila videos on YouTube before. But when I loved that songs in childhood, and it's a very unusual, nobody thought of dancing on that song. I made a video, it became viral, and then I saw 100 people making covers on Tal Se Tal Mila like that. Like Bantan Chali, I had not seen anybody when I made it 2 or 3 years back. Suddenly, I'm seeing all Bantan Chali, everybody's dancing. So, I am picking
When
unusual
you are,
songs which I
yeah.
like, songs that make me happy. I will put my heart and soul, I will dance well, and that's how I reach out to people, and then they follow me. See, if I was smart enough, I could have always, whichever new song comes, chalo us pe dance kar do,
Hmm.
and I can have more than 13 lakh subscribers. I can easily go higher than that. But I don't want those subscribers. I want people who genuinely love art and semi classical, who love my work, not those popular songs. So that's how I used to pick up my content. Ki chalo, now I'm going to dance on this song. This maybe the song is not famous. The Niti Mohan ka Kanhare is not a famous song, but I love that
Hmm.
song, the way
Hmm.
she sang it. Or Nano Wale Ne, for example, when it came out, nobody made a video on that. But now there are so many Nano Valere videos. So very unusual songs. I don't know why. I don't like songs which become very popular. I don't like that
No,
baby
of
doll
course, and
song.
I think then you're setting your own. Of course, you're setting your own trend, your own league there, and I think that's great to know that people are then inspired and then they are, I would
That
say,
song Mirchi, what that Mirchi or something, some weird song is there.
especially by the Mirchi, I would say by Divine Heat, who which has become very trendy.
Yeah. So now
That is the
somebody
Mirchi
told
song,
me,
right, by Divine. Yeah.
yeah. So a lot of people told me, please make a video on this. Now why should I make a video on this? I don't like that song.
Hmm.
It's like that.
And I think the but like just giving my view. Sorry if I'm like the kind of dance styles that you are also representing. They are also, of course, suitable for certain kind of song or certain genre of songs.
See, there are
Uh,
people who are dancing on Titanic पे कथक कर रहे हैं कोई My Heart Will Go On पे. Some people are doing
Carols
Shape of
of
You पे
Bells.
कथक.
Yeah.
हाँ, Shape of You जैसे इतने वल्गर. Shape of You का जो lyrics ही इतना गंदा है. Oh God, you can't put. Kathak is a dance which is there since thousands of years. So many gurus have worked hard. They have given their lives. It's a divine dance form. Kathak used to be danced in the temples. जो इतना
Right.
स्पिरिचुअल और इतना पवित्र डांस फॉर्म है उसको आप शेप ऑफ यू एंड डेस्पासितो एंड ऐसे वल्गर सॉन्ग्स पे यू आर पुटिंग इट यू जस्ट हैव नो एथिक्स आई फील तो आई कांट डू दैट बिकॉज आई इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि मेरे को कथक के थ्रू फेमस होना है नो कथक इज वेरी क्लोज टू मी इट्स लाइक इट्स आई हैव गॉन टू अ डिफरेंट लेवल इन स्पिरिचुअल लेवल आई कनेक्ट टू माय कृष्णा थ्रू कथक एंड आई एम नॉट गोना डांस ऑन शेप ऑफ यू
Of course. No, no, but yeah, that's true, and I think though of course I'm no one to comment on anything here, but definitely I can definitely relate
I'm not
the
trying to
thing that you're saying.
I'm not trying to demean anybody. I'm just giving examples. What
Yes,
I
yes, and
feel,
that's true also. Like
what
even
I feel for
yeah.
my art form is very different from what people think. चलो कथक थोड़ा सीख के ना हम famous हो जाएंगे सेमी क्लासिकल करने लगे आजकल वही ट्रेंड चल रहा है. But for me,
Hmm.
it's not like that. I did not learn Kathak because I want to become a very popular. I didn't learn Kathak because I wanted my Ghumar video to be popular.
Hmm.
These are things that are happening to me.
Right. And I think I can also see the kind of affirmative response that the audience is giving and relating with what you are saying. So and that's good to know also that even people are believing in like people are abiding by that. So okay. So now Devesh, I think you know considering the time that also we have left. So I think, of course, the thing that even people were asking in the starting, even to us also, that will you be coming with a workshop with or a training module with Devesh sir? So I think,
Okay,
yeah.
sorry, I'm cutting you short. One person asked me if not Kathak, then what dance form you would have done. Let me tell you that I have learned jazz first. I started as a jazz dancer, then I did contemporary,
Hmm.
then I did Latin American forms also. I used to do salsa and all of that. Then I started
Hmm.
doing folk dances. But when I started doing Kathak, I realized that this one lifetime is not enough for me to learn this dance form. I might have to take a rebirth, and or maybe I have already taken a rebirth because I couldn't complete. It's not possible to learn this dance form in one lifetime. So when I can't finish this one dance form, there is no room left for any other. So I think I'm just gonna stick to Kathak, try to master it. I'm saying I'll try to master it because it's impossible. And trust me, if you really learn Kathak now, your life will change, and you will not be able to even think of any other dance form. And
Honestly,
yes,
even yeah. Sorry, please.
no, you can go on.
No, I am just saying, being having an experience of being moderators in the workshops on the training programs that we have done. So even I also initially used to be the moderator there, and so even I, when I was not, of course, I was just seeing the training, how the training was going and final compositions. I was also willing to dance to it and learn. Maybe if I could get just even, I would say a small percentage of it. But yeah, it's of course it's something which requires you to understand the theory and the practical part of it,
See,
unlike many.
a lot of boys they are very reluctant to learn classical forms. I will talk only about Kathak right
Yeah.
now since I am representing Kathak. So a lot of boys are reluctant because they feel that sometimes when we do Naika or when we are doing Radha Krishna, both roles I show sometimes. Suddenly I can be a Krishna and suddenly I can be a Radha. So I can become both. I can
Hmm.
become manly and I can become feminine. We don't realize that within us, every human being has a male and female side within them, and both you can
Right.
express. It's not just because I'm doing Radha, I've become a girl, or if I'm doing Krishna, I'm very like Krishna. Of course, is not very manly. He's a very chanchal, and he's a very he's a Casanova. I would say a beautiful person. But if you do Shiva, that Shiva needs a very that Tandav roop that you have to be
Hmm.
very manly. Everything when you show all of that has to be very strong. But at the same time, when you're doing Parvati, I become Parvati. I feel that I am Parvati. I start imagining that my husband is Shiva. If I am Shiva, I am Shiva. So it's just in your mind. Just because you're doing Kathak, and it's also a fault of a lot of male dancers who do Kathak. They have made themselves very feminine. in their normal life also. When you're out of dance, you are your normal self. But you know, they have this little luchak and all that nonsense. And because of them, other boys get, oh shit, I will also become like that. I'll also become very feminine. So it's not like that. It's up to you. Now looking at me, I don't. Nobody will believe I'm a Kathak dancer. Just look at me. I'm in this kurta with so much of beard. I actually look like an underworld guy right now. So nobody's gonna believe that I can do Radha. I can be so feminine or so masculine. So it is all within you. So that is the thing I want to say, that it is Kathak is Katha. You have to say Katha. You have to say a story. So when you have to say a story, if I have to be Ravan, I am going to be a Ravan. No, then only people will believe my story. So you
Right.
understand, and it
Right.
is for
Of
men.
course. Of
Like you said, even you wanted to dance and all. You must learn dance Kathak. I would promote Kathak dance even to all the male, all the
Of course,
boys.
and I think couple of I think long, starting the journey of edginess with you. I think that is also I think a pleasure for us as well, and I would say as facilitators or also as learners, we have so many things to learn from you in the coming weeks or months. I would, and that is totally true. So I think I had asked all audience to put their questions in the question stickers, but I'll just scroll through the comments once, if you allow, and maybe see if we missed any question before we come to the workshop that we are going to uh, do in the month of March. So I think people are also asking about your acting videos, and again coming to the expression part of it, and yeah,
एक्टिंग का कीड़ा तो बचपन से ही था बट आई नेवर वांटेड टू बिकम अ हीरो और समथिंग आई जस्ट लाइक टू डू आई यूज्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन प्लेज एंड ऑल बट हाँ ये थोड़ा फिल्मी स्टाइल में यू नो आई यूज्ड टू डू लिप सिंग वीडियोस व्हिच बिकेम वेरी पॉपुलर आल्सो वो तो मेरे अंदर अगेन इट्स वेरी नेचुरल एंड इट आई थिंक समवेयर कम्स फ्रॉम क्लासिकल आल्सो दैट आई नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस I know suddenly how to play the like I have done this song मुझे हक है जिसमें मैं लड़का और लड़की का दोनों का अभिनय कर रहा हूँ. When the man is
hmm,
singing, I am like a totally man, and when it's a female part, I am full. So a lot of videos are like that. So I think it's again all training of Kathak and God gift and all of that. So कुछ सीखा नहीं मैंने कोई acting
right.
classes नहीं सीखा है मैंने कुछ नहीं I have only gone to Kathak classes. That's all I know.
Of course, they are seeing this because of seeing your expressions, in your videos. So I think even that was the first question even I had. So that if you also trained as an actor, so.
Nothing.
And I think people are definitely appreciating your video. I can just see the love that is being poured across, throughout the comment section and the song selection and the dance and how you fit your dance to it. So I think, yeah. So
Thank
I
you
think
so
there,
much to
there's also a
everybody,
question
and
that can you
I
tell us your journey? Sorry. Yeah, so there was just one question on can you tell us your journey in Dil Se Naache India Wale? Like in case you want to
So Dil
maybe.
Se Naache India Wale is something that I didn't want to do, come on TV and all of that, but they
Okay.
insisted, and they know it that they insisted, and it was a good platform because, and my students they wanted to somehow see Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika, so I said okay, chalo. तुम लोगों को अगर शाहरुख खान और दीपिका को देखना है तो we'll do the show. Lot of problems happened, lot of disagreements happened with Z Channel, but finally it worked out and we went to Indore because my dates were not matching with their dates when it was Mumbai ka. So Mumbai, I couldn't represent Mumbai. I had to represent Indore. So me and my troupe went there, and we were treated really well. They're very good production and all. The best part was that Deepika she stood up and she gave us standing ovation, and she said that they are nobody to judge us. Like they'll have to call Madhuri Dixit ji to judge us. So that was a big compliment. That Deepika is saying that you need to call Madhuri ji to judge us. They couldn't judge us. And then Shah Rukh Khan suddenly said, what he wants to dance with us. Usually,
So one.
we tell the judges, please, sir, can we dance with you? Please come here and dance. But it was ulta. He only said, oh my God, I want to dance with you all, and I want to impress Deepika. And he came and he did Chaya Chaya with us, and they were so loving. And then they all came on stage. Deepika came on stage, and Abhishek came on stage, and it was really nice. Which they cut in the end because in the end they all came and danced with us Chaya Chaya. It was really nice. And
Okay.
Deepika was personally talking to me, and she was,
Hmm.
teasing me that, oh my God, I wish I could dance like that, and all of that. They were lovely. It was a great,
Wow.
that tiredness, everything was gone. We didn't sleep for 2 3 nights, but nothing mattered. What mattered is Shah Rukh Khan, hugging us, and he's a very sweet person. He hugs you and he gives you a kiss and all. And then Deepika also was very loving. So I think that was one of the best experience. And after that, a lot of international workshops for me started. So that was a turning point in my
Turning
life.
point.
Knowing
Yeah.
or unknowingly, they actually changed my destiny. So that was great.
Wonderful. And I think people are also commenting that they would like to see you and Madhuri on the same floor. So yeah, and I think we have also, because you have worked with with Madhuri Dixit company, so you have already had that experience, of course, sharing knowledge or also getting that experience from Madhuri Dixit. So how's just to like before we again these questions keep on coming, but yeah,
So I don't think I am anybody. I am nobody to dance with Madhuri ji. Why would Madhuri ji dance with me? I am a very small artist. But yes, I'm very happy that they keep calling me for to teach on Dance with Madhuri platform, and they're a great team. I love them, and I have ran into Madhuri ji almost twice or thrice, yeah, and I have taken selfies
yeah,
with her. So, and she's a loving person. She's an amazing person. Yeah, maybe if Krishna decides that one day I should dance with, maybe you'll see a video of both of us doing some maybe Kahe Chhed or something together. Let's see.
oh great. Looking forward, definitely looking forward to it. And I think so. Yeah, with the interest of time, maybe if you'd like to, Devesh, since we are planning this venture, and I'm excited. I think our whole team is excited. So, any your words for that? Uh,
So yeah, so basically,
yeah,
I have to tell everybody that we are planning a workshop, which is going to come very soon. The dates and all will be announced. I think it's somewhere in mid of March, and I'll be teaching you some really nice song. I think it's going to be a 2 days workshop. Very excited to do that. It's going to be semi-classical, so please do join. It would be great to have all of you in the workshop, and you will learn something very beautiful. And my workshop, the way I take workshop is different. It's not. It's something that we provide tutorial which you already learn and you come. So it's a very different way of doing workshop. My whole strategy is different. So you're gonna enjoy it, and it will be a pleasure to teach all of you. That's great because it's Corona time. We can't really meet face to face, but why stop dancing? And
yeah,
yeah, so somebody was asking me here, who's my Kathak Guru? My Kathak Guru is, of course, I had initially learned from Guru Shama Bhateji, and I still learn from her and her school. And then I also learned from, I'm also learning from Guru Pratap Pawarji, and I keep attending workshops of Guru Dadich, Dr. Puru Dadich, and my main guru, the guru that I follow is of course Guru Pandit Birju Maharaji, who is my inspiration, and I have attended his workshops from last 5 6 years, and now also I'm learning from Kalashram from Shashwati Didi, so they are my teachers.
wonderful. And I think it's of course there are many, of course, many things still to explore and know about your journey. And of course, people can definitely find you on Google if they just write Devesh Mirchandani. So, and in the coming weeks, we also plan to share some works of yours and some I would say stories of yours who people might not still know. So I think we'll be also willing to love to be a part of this journey together. And I think people are also asking any prerequisite. There was also one of the questions, any prerequisite for the workshop, just in case you would like to add to that.
Uh, to like I said, in order to come to my workshop, we will give you a tutorial first. You have to study that tutorial. You have to know your steps. So when you come for the workshop, the Zoom session, when you come, you don't come blank. You come with you already know your dance. You just come and you ask me questions and doubts if any step is not perfect, and I polish your steps. I make it perfect. So because it's a 1.5 hour class, so we have to like really make sure that you know your dance properly. So I can't
Right.
spend time teaching you steps over there. So that will be one thing. You'll have to learn the dance and come. Of course, when you come for my workshop, you have to be in Indian outfit. We all know that you have to wear dupatta, choti, and all of that. It will look very presentable. That is one thing. That discipline we follow. And apart from that, nothing else. You just have to make sure that you are all, you have your energy drink and you're ready to dance. And you have to be happy before you come for my workshop. So you have to forget all the baggage. You have to leave your things behind and just come for the workshop.
I think this happiness and peace of mind is another are very crucial components. Even I like I'm just too small to say these things, but I also think that are very important when one is like becomes very important for someone. And dance, particularly Indian classical dance form, do provide that, as you also mentioned, that this peace of mind, that spirituality.
See, I'll tell
become a
you.
man?
I'll have to mention this thing because this is very important. Initially, I thought I used to just make videos on YouTube for fun. Okay,
Hmm.
chalo, I'm making videos. But a lot of people who were watching my videos were feeling happy. A lot of people who were going through
Right.
depression in their life, they were coming out of
Hmm.
depression. A lot of people having family issues, husband, children, all these issues, were watching my video and feeling happy. That that brief time. A lot of people message me that before sleeping we watch your video, so we get sound sleep. So you understand that videos are actually playing a very important role for a
True.
lot of people's mental health and peace, and also it's working as a therapy for a lot of people. So then I realized that this is a serious thing. If people really, even if suppose 10 people love me, for those 10 people and they watch my videos with so much of dedication, I have to make sure that my video is really thought. So now I really think before making my video, what I will do, what I will wear, where I will shoot, whatever facilities I have. I do it alone. Mostly I shoot my own self and all of
Right.
that. So whatever facilities I try to make such a nice video that people watch it and they should smile, they should feel happy. That is my main intention. So you see,
Definitely.
dance
And
can also work as a therapy for a lot of people.
dance is a therapy. Yes. Yes, and I think definitely, and people, uh, again, thank you everyone for showing your love, because I think constantly throughout the live, I have seen this love pouring, and people are looking forward to meet. Also seeing your videos, the one on Tal, and also are very excited to see that. So yeah, any last comment, Vish?
I just want to tell people that, every day, even if you can remove half an hour for dance, whatever dance you like, if you like to do hip hop, jazz, whatever, do it. If you want to do Kathak. And just dance for half an hour. It is good for your health and it's good for your mental peace. Stay happy. It's a very tough time. We are going
Hmm.
through a lot of bad time and life is unpredictable. People are just dying. We have to take care of ourselves. So don't waste this time. And if you have thought that you want to do this in life, please do it. Don't wait for anything. That's what I'm also doing. I'm living each day now as a blessing, and I am doing whatever I have to do in that day. I'm not waiting for tomorrow anymore. We have heard these
Yes.
things, don't wait for
Right.
there is no tomorrow, but actually I'm now thinking like that. So every day I'm dancing. At least I have to dance for 3 hours. So
That's
do
great, and
that.
I think
It,
people can simply tune into your videos also to get that therapy session
sure,
by dancing.
sure, sure.
So I think Devesh, love talking to you. I think it has always been a pleasure connecting with you offline or even now on the live. So, and of course, your remarks and your the way you feel about this art form and your humility, that is something I personally really appreciate, and I can already see many doing that as well. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for taking out your time. I know you just came out from another, work that you had, and you took time for this live, and that is something I really thank you for, Devesh, personally. Thanks a lot for making that arrangement.
It's my pleasure and it's my responsibility towards all the people who love me and follow me. I'm actually at Starbucks right now. I finished my class and I came here so that I can peacefully sit down and talk to all of you. So it's my responsibility, and today whatever I am is only because of these people who love me and follow me. So
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thanks a lot, Devesh. Again, I think, and sorry if to the audience if we have missed any question. Of course, you can send us the questions or reach out
yes,
to
and we
Devesh or
can
send
we
us
can
the questions.
also we can also have one more
We,
live session very soon.
of course, we
We'll
can. I
we'll
think
plan
we'll
something.
need one. We
Yeah,
can we
I,
can plan
I,
on.
yeah, maybe
Sorry.
I'll also go through my go live through my Instagram, which I've never done, and a lot of people have asked me to do it. So
Hmm.
we'll come with more. You can make your questions, prepare your questions, and send it to us, and we'll come live again, and we'll talk about it.
Right, and I think even in this life, since we are also seeing people from the United States as well joining New Jersey, etc. So I think it's great to see people from across the world joining this and loving this.
Oh,
So
what a beautiful suggestion! Please dance on
yeah,
Ramta Jogi from. Oh yeah, that's one of my favorite songs. How did I forget? Thank you so much, Pratibha, for this. I will very soon come up with that video also.
great. So yeah, thanks again. I think
Thank
it's
you.
great that this live could add something to your also. I
Thank
would
you. How do
say
you how do you pronounce a name? It's Jalaj or what?
Jalaj. Yes,
Jalaj.
yes,
Very
the way
unusual
you
name.
perfect.
Lovely name.
It is. It is.
So,
It's quite. But yeah.
chalo. Thanks a
That's
lot,
why,
Jalaj,
yeah.
for this effort. And
And
all the
our
best to
pleasure.
you. All the best to Edge Genius, and hope you continue to do the lovely work that you're doing.
Thanks a lot. And Edgeness is also a rare name, though.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks a lot, Devesh. Thanks a lot again.
Okay.
And I wish you a good night. And thanks a lot, everyone, for joining in, sending your questions and comments. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night.